Welcome back to channel, your ultimate stop for everything on wheels, where machines meet innovation and adventure. If it rolls, rides, or revs, you'll find it right here. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Imagine cruising down a scenic road, not in a giant RV or a heavy-duty truck, but on a tricycle, yes, a trike, with a cozy little camper attached to it. Sounds wild, right? But believe it or not, this niche corner of the travel and camper world is gaining attention. We're talking about the RV Camper Tricycle, the most compact and quirky way to hit the road and sleep under the stars. Now, let's get this straight. When we say tricycle, we're not talking about a kid's toy. These are adult-sized trikes, either pedal-powered, electric, or gas-assisted, with enough muscle to pull a lightweight camper pod. And while it may not be your traditional luxury RV, it's the perfect minimalist solution for solo travelers, adventurers, or even eco-conscious nomads looking for a new way to explore. So, what exactly is an RV camper tricycle? Think of it as a fusion of a bicycle, a motorcycle, and a tiny house. On the front, you've got your tricycle, 3 wheels for added balance, comfort, and storage. On the back, there's a custom-built or retrofitted camper trailer that's just big enough to sleep in, with space for a mattress, some basic storage, and sometimes even a small kitchenette. It's like a micro RV, stripped down to the essentials, and it's surprisingly practical. These trike campers usually weigh a fraction of what a traditional camper trailer does, making them much easier to tow. That means lower fuel consumption, less wear and tear, and easier maneuverability, especially in tight or remote places. Plus, they often don't require a special driver's license or insurance like a full-sized RV might. A great example of this concept is the electric trike camper builds that have been popping up in the DIY community. Creators and inventors from around the world have been customizing e-trikes with solar panels, fold-out sleeping compartments, and even charging ports for their devices. One such build includes an e-trike pulling a mini camper complete with LED lights, USB charging, a bed, and a pop-up roof for ventilation, all powered by solar. The entire rig weighs less than 500 pounds and can go up to 20 miles per hour, with a range of 30 to 40 miles depending on terrain and battery size. Of course, this isn't meant for cross-country highway cruising at 70 miles per hour. This is more of a slow travel experience, perfect for exploring small. And let's not forget the cost. A full-size RV can cost anywhere from $50,000 to over $200,000. But a DIY trike camper setup? You can build one for under $3,000 if you're crafty, or even less if you upcycle parts. For many people, this is a game changer. It makes van life and nomadic travel accessible without taking out a loan or selling everything they own. Then there's the environmental side. With electric trikes and solar-powered campers, this setup is one of the greenest ways to travel. No gas-guzzling engines, no big carbon footprint, and in many cases, no noise pollution either. It's peaceful, sustainable, and ideal for nature lovers who want to stay off the grid. There's even a growing online community around these builds. From YouTube channels documenting cross-country e-trike trips to forums full of blueprints, tips, and troubleshooting help, the culture is growing fast. People are sharing their journeys, building better designs, and proving that you don't need a giant RV to live the mobile lifestyle. Now, before you go sell your car and start building your own trike camper, there are a few things to keep in mind. These setups are definitely minimalist. You won't have a bathroom, running water, or a full kitchen unless you get creative. Weather can be a challenge too, especially rain or extreme cold, so proper insulation and waterproofing are a must. And of course, safety is always a factor. You'll need good brakes, reliable tires, and lights if you're planning to ride in low visibility conditions. But if you're into DIY projects, lightweight travel, and offbeat adventures, this could be the perfect way to see the world from a totally new perspective. It's quirky, fun, and surprisingly practical for short-term or seasonal road trips. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself hitting the road on an RV camper tricycle? Would you go pedal-powered, electric, or gas-assisted? Let us know in the comments below, and if you've ever seen or built one of these unique campers, we want to hear your story. Thanks for watching Automotive, where the road is always open and the wheels never stop turning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the most creative rides and ideas from around the globe. Until next time, ride smart and roam free.